We'll guide you through how to understand what Figma is and how you can start using it effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to figma.com. Figma is a powerful design tool primarily used for UI and UX design, and it's great because it operates entirely in the cloud. This means you don't have to worry about installing software or managing updates. You can collaborate in real time with your team, which is perfect for projects that require input from multiple stakeholders. When you arrive at the Figma homepage, you'll need to create an account if you haven't already. Just click on Sign Up, enter your email, and follow the prompts. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Figma dashboard. Here you can create a new design file by clicking on the New File button. Figma's interface is similar to other design tools, so if you're familiar with tools like Sketch or Adobe XD, you'll feel right at home. On the left side, there's a Layers panel where you can manage all your design elements. In the center is your canvas, where you'll do all your designing. On the right, you'll find the Properties panel, where you can adjust the details of your selected elements. One of the most powerful features of Figma is its component system, which allows you to create reusable design elements that automatically update across your project. To create a component, simply select the elements you want, right-click, and choose Create Component Time. This is super helpful for maintaining consistency in your design. Another great feature is Figma's prototyping capabilities. Just click on the Prototype tab at the top of your design file, and you can link frames together to create interactive flows. This helps to visualize the user journey and test interactions before any code is written. Don't forget to explore Figma's community resources, where you can find plugins and templates to speed up your workflow. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.